Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Students, open your math reading book for playgroup and the page number is 13. As you know, in previous lecture we will learn the digit number 3. Let's revise with me. 1, 2, 3. I repeat. 1, 2, 3. Come to the activity. Draw apples on the tree. One has been done for you. Trees are drawn. We only draw apples on that trees. What's this? 1. And they draw 1 apple on that tree. 1 apple. How many apple is this? 1 apple. What's this? 2. How many apple are these? 1, 2. Now we draw 2 apples on this tree. 1, 2. 1, 2. How many apples are these? 1, 2. Come to the next. What's this? 3. We learned this yesterday, digit number 3. Let's count these apples. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we draw 3 apples on this tree. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Come to the next page. Circle the correct number. Correct number को circle करना है आपने. How many balloons are these? 1, 2, 3. How many balloons are these? 3. So tell me, what's the number 3? This one? No, it's a 2. This one? Yes, it's a number 3. Now circle this number 3 because above 3 balloons are drawn. Now count these teddy bears. 1, 2. How many teddy bears are these? 2. Now tell me the number 2. This one? No, it's a number 1. This a 2? No, it's a number 3. Is this a number 2? Yes, it's a number 2. We circle this number 2. Now look at this. What's this? Potato. Now how many potato is this? 1. Now tell me, where is the number 1? Is this? Yes, it's a number 1. Circle this number 1. I hope you learned this activity and understood. Now open your workbook 1 for playgroup and the page number is 23. Trace the number 3. Let's count the circles. 1, 2, 3. How many circles are these? 1, 2, 3. It's a number 3. Let's start to trace number 3. Put your pencil at this dot. Now move your pencil around the back and then move your pencil. Now move your pencil again back around and stop at this point. We done it. It's a number 3. It's a number 3. Now trace it again. Put your pencil at this dot. Now move your pencil slowly back around and then move your pencil again back around and then stop at this point. It's a number 3. You learn the rhyme of number 3. Around the tree, around the tree, it's a number 3. Around the tree, makes the number 3. Now, I repeat. Put your pencil at this dot. Move your pencil back around. And then move your pencil again back around and stop at this point. It's done. It's a number 3. Now you trace this full page and makes a number 3. Come to the next page. First of all, trace and color. Number 3. You have to color these 3 trees. 1, 2, 3. इन ट्रीज को कलर करना है आपने. नाउ स्टार्ट ट्रेसिंग विद मी. पुट योर पेंसिल एट दिस डॉट एंड मूव योर पेंसिल स्लोली बैक अराउंड लिटरली एंड देन मूव योर पेंसिल अगेन बैक अराउंड and stop at this point. It's a number 3. Now you have to trace this full page, page number 23 and page number 24. I hope you understand my lesson and work properly. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.